In the fast-growing world of battery manufacturing for electric vehicles, it's always worth remembering the importance of reducing risk and protecting the personnel involved in the production process. Today, we'll see how Fortress Safety helps achieve this at the BMW Cell Manufacturing Competence Center in Parsdorf, Germany. This is where BMW develops and optimizes the processes for the next generation battery cells. The facility spans an area of 15,000 square meters and is a pilot line where the round cells for the 6th generation vehicles of the Neue class models are developed. A critical stage of the battery manufacturing process is calendering, where metal foils previously coated with the electrode material are compressed by rollers to achieve a precise thickness of a few micrometers. The coated electrode roll is then cut into strips and rolled up. Rotating parts of the calendering machine can expose personnel to hazards. For instance, someone could get caught in moving machinery with body parts being trapped or crushed. Therefore, the machine is surrounded by guarding with multiple access points. To reduce risk in this part of the process, BMW is using amGardpro interlocks from Fortress Safety. In particular, interlocks with guard locking can ensure access is only allowed when the hazards are in a safe state. BMW also chose to integrate additional features such as illuminated push buttons into each interlock. Thanks to the proNet communication module, these devices integrate easily into BMW's network and help provide better diagnostics along with faster commissioning and simplified wiring. Last but not least, an escape release can allow operators to exit in case they become trapped inside. At Fortress, we are proud to support advances in EV battery manufacturing by reducing risk and increasing confidence. But our relationship with BMW goes even further. In fact, for years, we've been providing interlocking solutions across several of their car manufacturing sites worldwide. To learn more, visit our website or contact a member of our team.